Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can draw a dotted line on Affinity Designer in 2026. So let us get started. Start by navigating to your design or document on Affinity. I will go with this example document and then navigate to the Vector Studio in the top left and choose the pen tool here to draw a line. As you can see, if you draw a line like this, it will probably look like solid like this. So no dots, no dashed lines. So we will have to customize the appearance. So to do that, left click into the line and navigate to its stroke settings here in the top left by clicking into this symbol. Next, what you want to do, guys, is switch to the dotted line style here. It is called dashed line style and it would look like that. So we will have to convert the dashed line into a dotted line next. This is how you can do it, guys. What you want to do is customize the phases of the line. Phases means, for example, these numbers here with that lighter bar below, they represent the length, for example, of the given dot, and the number next to it with that darker bar below represents or resembles the spaces between these dots. So you will have to decrease the width of these dots, like to a value of, I don't know, 0.2. and increase the space between them to a value of 1, for example. Or you can go, I don't know, with 3. And then, of course, here you have to remove these so that it looks clean, right? And now, as you can see, guys, we have these dots here and these spaces between them, and you can customize that by assigning custom values to these phases, right? So it's up to you how much space or how wide the gaps you want to be here between these dots, or these dots how wide you want them to be. So that's up to you guys. That's how you do it. That's how you draw a dotted line on Affinity. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.